Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to take out RAM sticks. Before you begin, it's crucial to power down your computer completely and disconnect every cable. Next, ground yourself by touching an unpainted metal part of your computer case. This simple step prevents electrostatic discharge, which can harm sensitive components. Finally, open your computer's side panel to reveal the motherboard and its components. Now, let's locate the RAM. You'll see long, thin sticks inserted into slots on your motherboard, usually near the CPU. Each RAM stick is held in place by two small retention clips, one on each end of the slot. To release the stick, gently push both clips outwards and downwards at the same time. You should hear a soft click as they disengage. With the retention clips disengaged, your RAM stick will slightly lift from its slot. Now, carefully grasp the RAM module by its two outer edges. It's important to avoid touching the gold contacts at the bottom, as oils from your skin can interfere with connectivity. Gently pull the stick straight up and out of the slot. Do not twist or bend it during removal. When you're ready to reinstall or insert new RAM, align the notch on the stick with the corresponding key in the slot. This ensures correct orientation. Place the stick into the slot and apply firm, even pressure on both ends until the retention clips automatically snap back into their upright, locked position. A secure click confirms proper installation. Always double-check that the stick is fully seated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.